All right, good morning. This is the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're here. I literally have no time to make this video, but I know a lot of you are dependent upon uh, some updates, so I just wanted to go ahead and give it to you. Um, let's just look at Litecoin pretty really quick here. We had our move down. Two counts. I've got two possible counts here. This is one of them that I'm watching. This is an ABC pattern, which I said yesterday was a possibility to happen to come down here to the $100 mark or so, and it sure did. Hit 102. I think I was projecting something like 103 here with the fibs on that real quick. Um, and that would have put us here at the target at the time. I think I put the fibs right there, and we were looking at 101.64 at the time. So yeah, it was a pretty good call there, and so yeah, that looks like an ABC there. The other potential is that this is a 1-2. This is a three wave being formed, and so we're going to be having more downside. So that's another possibility we have to watch out for. Now, here's what we need to be watching for in the meantime. Not sure how to count this wave. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibly, or this is a 1, 2, 3. This is a big four, and we're coming down for five still. So I'm not sure how to count that. Um, Whether we count this wick or not, or whatever. So here are the levels to watch out for. Okay, I'm going to show you two. If we throw the fibs on this one, this A wave, A B, if this is C, or if this is 1, 2, 3. So not sure what's going on there, but I wanted to tell you. So if this is an A, B, and a C, we should be coming up here to 112 to 114, and then we should be bouncing. Okay, most likely the 112 mark, and we should be bouncing down. If that's the case. If that is not the case, and we are dealing with a finished C wave, and then we're going up, this is a one wave followed by a two wave. Let's talk about what that looks like as well. So if we don't count this wick, and then we just looking at this, and this is, I know this is fast. You're gonna have to watch this twice maybe if you need to. Then we're looking at the one wave should be looking something like this. Come on, I'm gonna get a little bit bigger here so we can see. There we go. Um, there we go. We got 1, 2, 3 should be coming up here to 111. We should get a bounce down, and then another bounce up here to finish that wave. That wave should finish somewhere. Oh, wave should finish somewhere in the vicinity of 114, in that ballpark. So where does that put us, and how do we trade this, or how do we know with certainty what's going on? Well, we never know with certainty what's going on. Number one, that's the market. Number two, um, looks like whether we looks like we're going to get a bounce between 113 and 114. Looks like we're going to get a significant bounce to the downside a little bit between 113 and 114. So be watching for those levels as well. Once we see what happens there, we'll be able to tell a little bit more. But so anyway, regardless, either scenario, we're looking at a bounce at 112.69 or a bounce around 114.16. Now, if we could possibly be going up to 117.66. If we make it up to 117 today, then this becomes really clear. It becomes a 1, 2, 3. We'll have 4 and 5 going up. So let's see what we get. But my guess, my feeling, my take on it is that we're going to get the bounce off 112. But that, again, that's my gut. Yesterday my gut was right. We'll see if my gut's right today. Okay. Bitcoin, same kind of deal, except it looks a little bit clearer to the downside. So that's telling me we're probably got some more downside to go. So Bitcoin is just kind of doing this sideways stuff here. I mean, it looks like an an ABC there. Looks like we're making a B wave here, so we're probably coming up in this region, and then we'll be going down. Most likely, I can't guarantee that, but it certainly kind of feels that way. The way the shape of that is looking. I'm not going to throw the fibs on that, and but Let's see. Yeah, okay, I'll throw the fibs on it. Sure. Um, Looking at 8,500 to 8,600 in that ballpark to come up here and bounce probably around the $8,500 mark is probably where we're going to bounce down and go down for have some more downside. That would be my guess. 85 to 86, and then we're having more downside. If that's the case, if we have more downside from there, we will be looking at something like this. Um, you know, down here to the 74 to the $7,100. So we're going to be correcting down to probably around $7,100 to start. We could even go on down to 67 for a three wave. So we're going to have to see what this thing plays out. Okay, guys, that's all I have time for today. I'm sorry it's so quick, but I hope that helps you make your decisions. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.